This time in the market is not normal. This is definitely the hardest period in insurance history that I've ever seen. People are paying double today than they paid 5 years ago. We sell the idea of managing risk to our clients because managing risk, you also manage the cost of risk. We've developed our entire business model around supporting an insurer that is willing to look at risks like this. And so Noel was on board with that from the outset.
Yeah, the premiums can be scary. Managing a business is actually about managing risk. I'm quite happy to save money and be open and transparent about how we manage risk.
Here we have an insurer that has actually dedicated their underwriting philosophy towards clients that proactively manage risk. We've been given some tools with Mitti and Noel's policy. They are the sensors, the checklists.
Mitti have asked us to use a software program called iAuditor. iAuditor helps managing things that we should be regularly checking. Things that identify where things could go wrong. Getting visibility over the potential risks, that's crucial.
The tools that they give you really give you an opportunity to actually get a lot more context to someone's risk management, because you can go through their checklists with them and you just get to know a business way better. It really makes it easy for us when we manage the renewal. You can always pitch it better. If a client and an insurer are willing to play ball with each other and understand each other, and an insurer is willing to give tools that the client's going to use, then there's this element of transparency there. There's a real relationship.
I know I don't know everything. Having that advice, you can't buy that. It's invaluable.
It really goes from them buying a product to them actually being in partnership. And those additional touch points are creating a long-term relationship with an insurer.
Previously, we didn't get recognition in terms of insurance premiums. Now we do.
It's a really easy sell because with Mitti, they will get an element of premium stability in their renewal that is not just about riding the wave of the market.
They have insured us. They haven't insured all confectionery manufacturers.
I'm certainly the beneficiary of a far better detail of information that's coming from all the tools that Mitti are putting out. I mean, we look at that data and we learn from it, and all of a sudden you've got knowledge of risk processes that are beneficial to a chocolate manufacturer. And that's going to get us in front of clients who are not having that sort of service at the moment. I could be walking in there going, hey, I can immediately see so many things here that could be improved. Even if Mitti isn't going to be the most competitive on premium, I'd still rather give business to Mitti because the other insurer that might be a bit cheaper might not have the same philosophy and could easily be more expensive once a client has a claim. I genuinely believe that if someone is proactive towards managing their risk, then they should be rewarded for it. So to finally turn a corner in a really difficult market and to have an insurer with the guts to come out and actually offer this value proposition, yeah, we couldn't be happier. To get guaranteed renewability is huge. To get premium stability, that's huge. You got to be running to Mitti at the moment. You really do.